Hello guys, welcome to Hartlabs. Today we will see how you all can install Python and start writing your first program. So let's get started. Now we are on browser. Let's search for download Python. So the very first website python.org, open this and download the latest version of Python. I am using Mac. For me, the direct installation have been added. If you're using Windows, go for Windows, Linux, or any other system, go for others. Okay, so quickly download from here. I have downloaded already. This is my setup file. Let's open it. Okay, so just do continue, accept the certificates, accept the license. Okay, so whatever they are giving you terms and condition, say agree with this. Okay, now if you want, you all can go for customize installation, or see all these things should be clicked. We have to install the pip also. We should get the Unix command GUI application which is required. If you remember, in the last video I have explained IDLE. What is the use of IDLE? What is the advantage of IDLE? So it provides GUI application of Python. Okay, so you have just cross check with me if you have the proper all things have been ticked. Okay, go back to installation, continue, let's install. Okay, so we will wait for it. Okay, so Python is here. Let's just quickly check the IDLE and see if Python is installed properly or not. Okay, so this is your Python shell where we will write our code. Now this is where your code get executed directly. It's just like if you can see command prompt, it's just like that. Okay, so we'll simply write here print this is my first code using Python. Now just simply hit enter the way you do in command prompt. So you got your output. If you will look closely, here you are getting different color highlighting for function, which is print, for the string, for these strings you are getting green color, and for output you are getting blue color for easy identification. Now if you want to execute a multiple steps, multiple lines of code, what you all can do, let's create a new file by pressing Ctrl N and say print welcome, print to Hartlabs. Okay, this is a multi-line code. Let's save it. Sample python.py. That .py is the extension for saving your Python programs. So let's save it, and for execution just press function F5. Okay, can see welcome to Hartlabs. So you can also write a file and can execute that code. I hope you all have created your first program, and if it's getting successfully worked, that means you have successfully installed your Python. Now further, once we are done with the basic of Python, we will try to install a software which is mainly used for data analysis, for data science. If you have seen my previous video where we have used a different software, right? So that software is mainly for data science. So further, we are going to start with the data analysis once we are done with the basics, and we'll move ahead. And after that, we'll also move to web development part. Okay, thank you for watching video. I hope you all liked our video, and for any feedback, drop message in comment box. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share with others who wants to learn. And also press the bell icon for further updates.